Okay, guys, have you done the abstract for the proposal idea information canvas?
Yeah, I think we have, Rizwan. I think we've started to sort of
Okay,
map it out.
that's good. Sorry, can you? I need to. I'll make sure I see that. Let me check now. The first thing that we do is in Hot Topic, we simply read your idea and we see whether this is in the scope of one semester or not. And I believe that it should be because you guys are really good what you're doing right now. Okay, let me see. So somebody submitted this or not? I don't
No,
see.
where did you want it submitted? In discussion or under?
Oh, that's okay. Okay. We can have a discussion. One more thing I want to ask you because I didn't see the groups um, on Canvas. So if I share my screen with you, I hope so. Okay, group one is held by. Tell me who are the members, David. You see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yeah.
Sorry, just give me one second. I'm just in the wrong screen myself of where I want to be. So you've got myself, you've got Chanel Kumar, Shanil.
Yeah.
We've got Chiral Lego.
And
Anish Kumar.
Anish Kumar. That's
And
good.
Nikesh us.
That's good.
Yep, that's it.
And
that's the other group, was all those ones.
yes. So I'm putting you in group so that that's good. Okay. Now coming back to your proposal idea, do you want to have any discussion on that? Oh, it's transcripts also. Oh, Big Brother. Who is Big Brother? Okay. So only one group was able to do it, but that's okay. Follow this. Do you want to, David, do you want any other name for your group?
Yeah, I think the group came up with a name. Hang on, I've got to jump through the hoops unless someone wants to jump in and tell me what it is. I think they called it. Are we? I've set up a bad guys. They called it.
Oh my God. That's not ethical, but it's okay. Bad guys.
Yeah, it's not very professional, but there you go.
His big brother and one is bad guy, and they both are cousins with each other. Okay. So let's go with the um, Tesla group. Um, you have Tesla. Let's see. Yon and So what's your, you're still doing in Hot Topic the same thing? Face recognition?
Yes.
That's good. So I just need your idea to be put on Canvas. That will be great. So stick with it. You put face recognition also in measurement of ICT, okay, so that it can easily be handled. And if you're using any cloud environment, you can put the same architecture in cloud computing assignment also, okay? And if you are, if I see that you are not able to scope it properly or your scope is too broad, I will shorten it. I don't want, I just want to make sure that you guys are within the requirement. And David, your work is okay. Now, what's your idea of you have Spark and ICT?
Yeah, so what we were looking at is using an AWS type basis.
Mhm.
So it'd be a service, software as a service.
Uh-huh.
And long and the short of it is that we want to use AI to assist companies with call quality. Now that also develops into two different things where apart from doing the call quality and working out helping companies save money and time, there's also the other part of it, which is the intelligence that they're getting from all that to either feed into AI bots to take calls or into business decisions. So it sort of branches off into a few different areas. But at this stage, that's sort of what we're looking at, is using AI to essentially assist with doing the evaluations of calls, looking at marking them, freeing up the team leaders so that they can spend more time on coaching, and at the same time getting a business analytics through that data. And the good thing with that is it also means that it could essentially be licensed later on as a product to other people.
Now, the first thing that you must ask yourself is how you guys going to implement this, because Hot Topic, you need implementation. ICT management, you don't need implementation, you just need a design, little bit of design. In cloud computing, you need implementation and design both. So if you are working on AI, you need to know how you're going to implement that. That is more important. Okay.
Yeah, so we found a company that's already doing it, and they are using QA GPT.
Okay.
So we know it can be done because we've got a model. We just have to try and, as you said, work out how to actually implement it, or as best we can through AWS, ideally.
Okay, that's good. That's a good sign.
Like I've got something I can post if there's a particular place you want me to paste it.
No, I just need you to give me an abstract so that I can go through that. Okay. That should be in Canvas. Okay.
Yeah. So do you want it in Canvas under the assignment
Proposal
or under
idea.
a discussion at this stage?
And you can put in the proposal idea. You can discuss later on.
Okay, so I'll just put an assignment proposed ideas.
Yeah.
And just go start.
Only one idea. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my.
So I've just submitted it now. Hopefully you can see it. Might need to fine tune it, but I can always do that later on.
That's okay. Every time I forget my password. Okay, let me see. Just wait a minute. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm trying to log in, but
That's all good. No rush.
no, I want to show you. Finally. Oh, okay. Finally, I'm in. Okay. Sources. Okay. Now, as part of MIT, you have I can give you access to these courses, which you're already doing this one. That's okay. Then we have AWS Academic Machine Learning Foundation course material. which relates to foundation course, which is related to machine learning, AI. Okay. Then this is the advanced course. There's nothing to do with this one. Then you have a natural language processing, which is big, again, AI course. So we have data. No, this is not the one. So we have two AI courses here, natural language and the machine learning. Now, if any one of these you need it, just let me know so that I can open these courses for you. But I would suggest that it will be a little bit hectic for you, but let me see what this course talks about. So this will be machine learning, which talks about machine learning, and you must do the prerequisite is and experience scripting with Python. Have you guys done Python?
Yeah, we did Python year one,
Okay.
well, it should be level 5.
So it's
some,
mostly related to artificial intelligence, okay? SageMaker, how you can use it, but it will take a lot of your time. So I would suggest you to, if you want this later on, I can open this for you. That's not a big deal for me, okay? After doing crowd practitioner course, you can always go and do this. And let me see what this is looking for. This is mostly ChatGPT type language models. Machine learning is also used for face recognition. So data engineer, data scientist, software developer, this is more into okay, NLP, natural language processing. So it's more like ChatGPT. So when you're looking for any advice from your chatbot or you are trying to have calls in text language, this will be able to help you with that. But it will be a little bit more broader than you expect. So I would suggest you to stick with limited thing. We are not looking for a final. Have you guys going under the final project? You guys also have a project, right?
we do it we don't know much about it, but there's an industry. So there's something that we have to do later on next semester.
Okay, next semester. That's okay. Okay, I think so. You are okay with that, David. But I would suggest you that
Fine tune it.
all of your group members don't be more ambitious. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I know that it's going to be then a lot of pressure. But you have 5 people. You should be able to do it. But don't be over ambitious. Okay.
So
it's a good project.
So basically, once we look at the cloud computing part,
Mhm.
maybe we can fine tune it into a more specific area.
That's correct.
Yeah, I'm following. Yep.
And if you don't go into the specific area, I'm going to push you to a specific area. Okay.
Yep. No, I understand what you're saying. Yep. It's
Okay.
too big to do everything at once. So just pick a part of it and focus on it. And we can sell the whole concept, but just specialize in one part for the demonstration and the assignment.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So your team members are with you?
Hopefully they're all in here, I think.
Okay. That's good. That's all. If you need me, you should start working on your research. First thing you need to do is the literature review. You do the literature review for your topic, okay? And see what you find in hot topic for your specific idea or proposal. And then you have to write, make a presentation. Then you have to present your proposal, and then you have to submit your proposal report. That's it. That's by end of April, mid of April, before you go on semester break.
Yeah.
And after semester break, it's only implementation. So I'm not going to ask you any questions. So you just implement whatever you have designed. That's it, or whatever the proposal was. Okay.
Yep.
So everybody with me? I didn't hear anything from others. Okay, that's all from me. Any question you can ask me if you want to.
Cheers. No, I think we're good for now. I think you've sort of outlined we want to narrow it down. It will be too much work for us, which I get.
Yeah.
I've sort of said to everyone in the group to go through it, look at it by Friday, and we'll fine tune it, and then
That's good.
and then we can always resubmit if need be, or we can just moving forward map it out for you so you can see it better.
Excellent. Then that is great. Good. And also my Korean friend, where is my Korean friend? Same to you. Work on it.
Mr. Young.
And yeah, Young is not speaking today. He's busy. So also Liji, if you and if you need anything, just let me know. Keep sharing your ideas so that I can see your scope. Your scope is big. I'm going to shorten it. Okay.
Hi, Rizwan.
Yes.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Yeah. I have a question about the you mean we need to submit the proposal idea submission. So what should be included in the proposal idea? So it is we need to provide you the topic and title. So should we need to provide some introduction that included the
No. In the first part, you only give the idea. Okay.
So it's only the title.
Only the title or little bit explanation of that title. That's it.
Oh, okay. So we don't need to provide you the scope or motivations
No, that comes afterwards. That comes in your proposal, which is submitted in after 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, not now. Maybe 6 weeks. Okay, not now.
A brief explanation and the title.
Title. That's it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. See you next week. Okay.
Yes, Rizwan. See you on Monday.
Okay.
Cheers. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.